What's up guys, it's your favorite pick instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best undermount bathroom sinks. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. KOHLER K Archer. KOHLER is a big name in the industry, and it usually signals customer satisfaction and quality. And KOHLER K2355-0 Archer is no different. This rectangular bathroom sink has an amazing geometric appeal. With inner beveled edges and striking angles, the unit is suitable for those who love geometry and symmetry. It features an overflow drain, and it requires no faucet holes. When you're choosing a reliable undermount bathroom sink, it's crucial to consider the material used. KOHLER K2355-0 is made with sturdy vitreous china for an appealing finish and enhanced durability. With the name KOHLER stamped behind it, you're assured that it's an ergonomically designed item. It has excellent drainage, which is ensured with an angled bottom. The standard drain comes ready for drain installation. Hence, the installation process will be seamless. Apart from a striking design, the item comes in pure white color, sure to complement bathrooms and countertops decor. With the polished glaze, the sink keeps looking fresh and easy to clean and maintain. This white undermount bathroom sink is designed to fit with most countertops. When it comes to fitting KOHLER rectangular undermount bathroom sink, the process is seamless. The detailed instructions ensure you have hassle-free moments. It measures 22 by 16.9 by 8.9 inches with a weight of 21.25 pounds. It's also compatible with other units in the Archer collection. Number 4. Sinkology Pavlov. Your undermount bathroom sink should not be ordinary. Raise the bar higher for not settling for an average sink. The Sinkology BOU 0712HN Pavlov is handcrafted in the state-of-the-art design to give it a simple yet stunning look. The oval undermount bathroom sink screams class and durability. The sink is engineered with an elegant hammered nickel finish for a glaring look. This makes it extremely durable and virtually maintenance-free. The hand-hammered texture adds beauty and character, making it the centerpiece of your bathroom. It also complements the work of art in your home. Nickel fabric is sturdy and attractive, and it can go with nearly everything for a stylish look. It's suitable for anyone looking for a modern style. This item is great for a bar or bathroom sink, and the nickel finish is super easy to clean and maintain. Sinkology Copper Care Kit comes with everything you need to protect, clean, and maintain your sink. With the Carre kit and easy-to-follow instructions and powerful products, you're assured of enhanced durability of this product. Measuring 19.25 by 17.25 by 6.5 inches and weighing 9.63 pounds, the product is small enough to fit in tiny places. Additionally, the product is protected by a lifetime warranty. This is a guarantee that's a durable and well-built item to give long services. Number 3. Nantucket Sinks. This is a small rectangular undermount bathroom sink that will complement your bathroom and countertops. The smaller and more compact size with a deeper bowl delivers a stunning look in smaller spaces. Even if you have dull bathroom walls, the crisp white ceramic sink will brighten and beautify the restroom. In most cases, most bathroom sinks tend to be shallow, making it hard to handle various tasks. But with Nantucket Sinks UM 16x11W, you won't experience this. The softly slowing bowl has a deep design to accommodate multiple bathroom tasks without spilling water on the floor. The sloping sides of Nantucket Sinks UM 16x11W sink combined with a sleek, flat bottom brings a modern style. The white color will match with most whites in your bathroom. It has a pre-drilled standard drain hole and a centered overflow hole to prevent overflowing of water. The shiny glaze gives a beautiful look, and it's easy to clean. It's stain resistant, meaning it will remain shiny for several years. Although it's a small undermount bathroom sink, its functionality is not affected. The lifetime warranty ensures customer satisfaction. That feature, combined with durability and competitive price tag, makes it an appealing option and great buy. The package includes a template for quartz or granite countertop installation. The instructional manual makes it easy to fix it. The lack of mounting kit or drain assembly enables you to customize your bathroom sink to suit your needs. Number 2. American Standard Studio Care. The American Standard 426,000.020 Studio Care Sink is made of sturdy vitreous china that is durable, easy to clean, and maintain. The square design is attractive and unique to give your bathroom decor a look to die for. Under the robust vitreous china is a high-quality ceramic that is durable for years. Securing a durable undermount bathroom sink combined with a competitive price is a rare occurrence. Luckily, the American Standard undermount bathroom sink has struck a fantastic balance. It's an ideal product for people who want a modern item with a tight budget. The permanent American Standard logo signals reliability and durability. It comes with a complete undermount kit, which includes brackets, silicone putty, and instructions. For added customer satisfaction, this square undermount bathroom sink is protected by a limited lifetime warranty. This is an indication that the item is well and solidly built to offer your services for long. With a curved bottom and an overflow hole, the sink prevents overflowing, which might damage your floor. More so, you can customize an overflow position to your liking. It's supplied with a mounting kit and cutout template for easy and quick installation. The instruction manual gives a step-by-step guide to ensure you need no special skills to fix it. Number 1. DECOLAV Tiana. DECOLAV has, for years, been manufacturing durable and appealing products in the market. The ability to strike a balance between affordability and functionality has put the manufacturers at a competitive edge. Whether you're looking for bathroom vanity with a mirror, a glass vessel sink, or a stylish bathroom sink pedestal, they will always have your back. And with this stainless steel undermount bathroom sink, you'll bring sophistication and luxurious look into your bathroom. Stainless steel has earned a rich reputation for being a sturdy fabric. It brings out the modern edge and gives a stylish statement. More so, it enhances the durability of this round undermount bathroom sink. The material also makes it easy to clean and maintain a shiny look for long. The stain-resistant stainless steels protect the item from rust and build-up, which might be caused by hard water. DECOLAV 1201B Tiana is compatible with the hardware, and it can get installed as both an undermount and a flush mount. Weighing at 5 pounds only, the round undermount bathroom sink is incredibly lightweight. It measures 5.75 by 15 by 15 inches, and it's compact enough to fit in small spaces. The brushed stainless steel color brings a bite look. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.